Everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new design in Tinkercad in 2026. Whether you're designing a 3D printable model, building a prototype, or just learning 3D modeling, creating a new project is the first step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Tinkercad website. Sign in with your Tinkercad account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, where all of your existing projects are displayed. To start a new project, locate and click the *Create New Design ** button. Tinkercad will immediately open a blank 3D workspace. This workspace is called the *workplane*, and it's where you'll create and edit your models. After the workspace loads, you'll notice a grid in the center of the screen. This grid helps you position objects accurately. On the right side, you'll find the *Basic Shapes ** panel, containing shapes like boxes, cylinders, spheres, cones, and many more. To begin designing, simply drag a shape from the Shapes panel onto the workplane. Click on the object to select it. White corner handles let you resize the object, while the black arrow above it adjusts its height. Use the curved handles to rotate the object in different directions. If you want to add more objects, continue dragging additional shapes onto the workplane. You can move objects by clicking and dragging them, and you can zoom, pan, and rotate the camera to view your design from different angles. As your project grows, remember to save your progress. The good news is that Tinkercad automatically saves your work while you're designing, so you usually don't have to worry about manually saving your project. Once you've finished creating your design, you can continue editing it, share it with others, or export it as an STL, OBJ, or another supported file format for 3D printing or use in other applications. And that's how to create a new design in Tinkercad in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Tinkercad tutorials and 3D modeling guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.